Hello and welcome to this demonstration video of the Eaton SmartWire-DT system featuring the EZ802 SWD controller. My name is Gough Lui and this is running the RoadTest program. What I have got is two switches and two contactors. This switch here is programmed to produce an industrial start-stop style system. This one here is what I call a lamp torture test. At the moment you're seeing the result of two different timer relays, one configured to produce a flashing at a 50-50 duty cycle, another which is producing flashing at a 25-75 duty cycle. Aside from these two timers, there is a third timer that produces flashing when the industrial start-stop is pulled in. So with the industrial start-stop, it's a latching system. When I press the start button, it turns on the lamp and that latches by sealing in. And you can see now it's flashing at the higher rate, so that's invoking timer 3. And we can unseal or drop the contactor out by pressing the stop button. If we try to press both, nothing happens because it is being overridden by the stop. But if we let go of the stop, contactor pulls in. As soon as we push stop, contactor drops out. This one, which is a lamp torture test, I've configured so as to have the LED reflect the lamp operation or the contactor status. So when I push start, it latches and seals a virtual relay called a marker, and the marker then triggers the timer, which cyclically turns the lamp on and off once every second. So if I push start, we get into the lamp torture test mode. And because the PLC is currently operating like a real-time system, I can also push the other button, and the two seemingly operate independently of each other. The truth is that the PLC is rapidly cycling through the inputs and outputs and updating the status roughly once every 1.14 milliseconds, which gives the impression that it's running real time when it's not. At the moment, this program uses 16 of the 256 available rungs on the controller, and it seems that the controller is capable of doing a lot more, but unfortunately without any more SmartWire-DT peripherals, there's really not much more I can think of to implement. But anyway, thank you Element 14 for sending the SmartWire-DT kit my way. It's been rather interesting playing with ladder logic, which is something I haven't experienced before. And within about the space of an hour to an hour and a half, I was able to put this together, which even impressed me. So EasySoft Pro is actually not difficult to use. This has been Gough Lui reporting on the Eaton SmartWire-DT system. Thank you for watching.